All right, well, congratulations. You made it through the whole video series here, kind of the 101 introductory level, what, why, and how of cryptocurrency. And hopefully it's been helpful. Hopefully you've been seeing maybe some different ways that people are getting involved with blockchain and cryptocurrency. And I just hope the information was helpful for you. And I wanted to leave you with this one extra bonus video that's talking about some different resources. And really, when I was getting started, I wish that somebody had told me, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need, this thing here and this account here, and these are the resources that are going to help you get off to a good start. And that's really what this video is about. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're done watching this video is just below this video, you'll see that there's a link that says shortcut list. And what that will do is it'll bring you to a list for kind of separated as a consumer, as a business owner, as an investor. What are probably the best first 3 or 4 tips to get you started? What account should you open? How, where do you go to open those? Just kind of a resource guide. And that's the first thing. So you're going to want to definitely click on that list, make sure you copy it or do whatever you got to do. But that's a free bonus resource for you. The second thing that I want to leave you guys with as we go through here is probably the next thing you're going to want to do in one capacity to the other is to set up a Coinbase account. Okay, so you go to Coinbase.com. Very simple. You just put in the information, you set it all up. And the one thing that I want to say is if you use the link that's below here, you get 10 free Bitcoin, $10 worth of free Bitcoin, and I also get $10 free Bitcoin. So it's kind of a fun win-win little situation that, if you set up your account with Coinbase, then you get a little freebie out of the deal. So that's probably what you want to do next if you're looking at getting your feet wet and buying some cryptocurrency or being involved in one way or the other. That's what you're going to want to do next. So the last thing, the number 3 thing is you're going to want to access all my freebie training. And I got a whole bunch of it out there. If you go to our YouTube channel, you'll see this on the free resource list. But if you go to our free YouTube channel, if you go to our Facebook page and like the page, subscribe to the YouTube, and then also follow us on Steemit. Those are the platforms that we're using to bring you a whole bunch of free, up-to-date information. Every once in a while, every 3 or 4 days, I make a video about what's happening, maybe some interesting stuff that's going on that will be beneficial to you. So make sure you sign up for all the freebie stuff, subscribe, do what you got to do to follow us, and I'd appreciate that. So, and then finally, the last bit here is you'll see at the bottom of this page that there's a 201 series, and that's really kind of a more advanced step. So, what we did in 101 was talk about the what, why, and how that people are being involved with cryptocurrencies. The 201 is going to be even deeper level, and what it is, it's going to have 15 different videos. 5 videos for an investor, 5 videos for a business owner, and 5 videos for consumers. And this is a paid course, and basically what my plan is that when you set up your Coinbase account, you get the $10 of free Bitcoin. And what this next level 201 course will do is say, hey, for the same amount of dollars, $10, which is really no money out of your pocket, you can sign up for this crypto course, a 201 education course, and dive even further into what you can do in each one of those areas as an investor, as a business owner, and as a consumer. So hopefully that you find that information exciting. I think this is just the start of a long journey, and as you're learning this stuff, you're going to see that cryptocurrencies and blockchains are not going away. There may be ups and downs in the market, and it may take wild swings like we've seen, and that's okay, but the technology behind a blockchain is not going away. There's tons and tons and tons of projects that are being worked on that are going to just radically change the way business is done, and so you're going to want to make sure you get your hands on that. I've got a guest speaker in there. His name is Greg Flory, and he's one of my good friends that I've learned a lot from. He does a great chat about different types of investing and all kinds of different tips with that, and then we talk about business ownership and how businesses are using blockchain and a little bit more in-depth studies. And then finally, obviously, how consumers are using it and just getting a little bit deeper. So anyway, I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope this resource guide, this freebie list here, will help you on your journey and get you off to a good start. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day.